Hi everyone! So before we get started, I wanted to show you a snack, a childhood snack that I've had when I was really young. Look! It saysปูไทย, which is like crab Thai. ขนมทอดกรอบ, like a fried snack, fried crispy. Okay? Make that with Anyways, this is squid flavor. I didn't realize there were flavors. I'm not sure if this is exactly the one that I had when I was young or not, because I don't remember there being any flavor. But yeah, children, right? We don't really look at flavors. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. By the way, I wanted to say something. In Thailand, these seals are much stronger than abroad because, you know, we're a humid country and these things get stale really easily. That's why the seal has to be like really strong. Oh my goodness! Isn't that cute? Look at that, it's a crab! You guys, it's so cute! Okay, yeah, this is the one I had when I was young. I didn't know it was squid flavor, but yeah, it's the same flavor. It's so cute, guys. Okay, back to the video. This is what I do when I don't finish it. I roll it up. And then this is like a rubber band. And then I just do that. And then it stays crispy for a good while. Okay. Zoom in. Oops. Too much? Okay, there we go. All right, the reason we're doing this video is because I love Van Gogh's turquoise green. It's really a low tinting color and you're either gonna love it or hate it. For those of you who have tried it before, honestly, when I first tried it in the beginning, I didn't like it just because, you know, it's low tinting. It makes it feel like it makes it feel like it doesn't re-wet very well, but that's because it's low tinting. It re-wets just like any other paint, to be honest, any other color. But yeah, I didn't like it at first because it wasn't like strong tinting or anything, but as I continued using it, I loved the color, the hue of it, and the color separation, which we'll see in a little bit. If you want to know more about the Van Gogh turquoise green, I actually have a video on its own just about this one, so I'll link it up above and in the description box below. Here, I'm gonna show you. For those of you who like turquoises, I think you should really give this a try. But for those of you who don't like turquoises, don't care for turquoises, and don't like low tinting colors, just forget about this one. Like, don't even bother. I should make this wider. Whoops. There we go. So right now on screen, it really doesn't reflect the color very well, but I want to say it's a blue-green, not like Viridian. Viridian is sort of more, compared to this one, it's more yellow, whereas this is more towards blue. Okay. And then we're gonna swatch this one. I know you guys might be thinking like, oh, that's a lot of paint she put on there, but I've painted quite a bit with both of these, and I know how much paint I need to be like squeezing out in order to get how much ever I want. Okay, so anyways, I really liked, oh no, backwash, backwash. Don't do that, don't do that. Okay, again, so I really liked the Van Gogh version, and I was like, hey, Rembrandt probably has this color, maybe better. And then I looked in their range, their color chart, and it seemed like the closest would be this Cobalt Turquoise green, this one made with PG26. And to be honest with you, the hue is slightly different. On camera it looks almost the same, but it's slightly different in that this one, the Rembrandt one, is slightly more blue. It's really not apparent unless you swatch it side by side like this. As for granulation, look, see right there? There's the G. Rembrandt says it's granulating, but I'm gonna be honest with you, and even Mandy on Mandy's channel, I'll link her channel below, when she was swatching it out, as well as her her granulating video on Rembrandt granulating colors, she even said that it's not granulating or very minimal. And in my experience, honestly, I wouldn't call this granulating at all. Like, no. If you guys want this type of hue with granulation, don't get this one. Or if you saw this and you were like, hey, it's granulating, maybe I could use it in mixes and it'll show up, the granulation I mean, don't get this. You're gonna be really disappointed. But if you like the hue, if you want me to do a comparison between other turquoises I have, let me know down below. But yeah, I think only get it if you like the hue. Obviously, I used the tube today, so you didn't see how much I had to lather up. But basically, it's just a low tinting color like Viridian or Cobalt Violet in general. But yeah, so as we're talking, the Van Gogh turquoise one, we're gonna start to see some color separation. Maybe, maybe not. There's some blue here from the PB29, the ultramarine. And here, I'm not sure if it's showing up very well on camera. But yeah, in my Van Gogh video on this specific color, it's much clearer. And then when I scan this, when it dries completely, we'll be able to see that as well. And hopefully when I scan this, you'll be able to see it as well. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say, guys. I don't know. Between the two, I thought I liked this one, and then I wanted to upgrade, but this was such a disappointment that I'll probably keep buying this one after I'm out of the tube, because I really like it. Yeah. This one, not so much. Maybe I'll love it one day, but for something else, not for an equivalent color to the Van Gogh one. So yeah. What do you think, guys? Which one's your favorite between the two? Or do you have any suggestions for me if you've used the turquoise green from Van Gogh and maybe you have a suggestion of which brand that is similar to this? Brand and color? Yeah, let me know down below, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm already sweating. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.